I've talked a lot about the value of manager support, but peer support can be just as impactful. After all, employees spend more time with their coworkers than their supervisors. Transfer of training tends to be highest when trainees have a support network of at least one person, preferably someone who is a current or former trainee in the same program. They can talk about what they learned and how they've been applying it to their jobs. They can share advice and strategies for overcoming obstacles to learning, and they can connect one another to other valuable resources, like other trainees and mentors. Coworkers can also encourage one another to use the self-management techniques they were taught and to continue practicing newly learned capabilities. And finally, colleagues can be an important source of performance feedback, helping us improve even when the rest of the work environment is not supportive.